a $20 bill. I absolutely love finding money in my clothes. I did not know it was there. It's an amazing surprise. I hope you're feeling good about that, because there's money in your life everywhere that you don't even know exists, and one of them has to do with your taxes. I've got over 40,000 hours working with small business owners from across the country, and I know one of the single biggest expenses in your life, personally and professionally, is taxes. I also know that if you're like most other business owners, you don't have time to think about that stuff. You've got a to-do list this bloody long and a million things that you're thinking about doing to add to that to-do list. And taxes are probably the last thing. So how do we make sure that we're paying the least amount of taxes? Well, guess what? We have a program that is going to make sure you are going to get money back. You're going to find money in your shorts that you've already given the government, and it's time to get back. Well, how am I going to do that? I work with one accountant. I've been working with this accountant for years. Well, you're just like everybody else is. You hand over your books, you get your return, you pay your check, you pay money to the government, likely, like other successful business owners do. What we're going to do is, through our program, which is 100% confidential, we're going to have 3 independent accounting firms, small, medium-sized accounting firms, not the big guys, small, medium-sized, just like you, that are in the same state that you are in. They want to provide amazing service. They want to grow their business. They want to be a part of their community. They want to do good work. Each one of these 3 are going to take your tax returns, by the way, 100% confidential. So when you hand your tax returns to us, we're going to omit every bit of information that has anything to do with your identity, personally and as a business. So these independent accounting firms are going to be focused on what's most important. It's your business numbers and taxes. And they're going to look at last year. They're going to look at the year before if you want them to look at 2 years. They're going to look at 3 years if you want them to. 3 years is the maximum you can go back to refile your taxes. And each one of those 3 are going to come back to you with a proposal, and they're going to say to you, we can get you a refund of X amount of dollars in taxes that you've already paid in. We can also save you X amount of dollars on your next tax return based on the historical way that you have been doing your taxes, the way that your company is structured, some of the decisions that you've made, depending on where you are personally in your life, possibly a few questions that they might have to ask you to make sure that they're able to tailor the proper value proposition to help ensure that you're paying the least amount of taxes. Those questions are going to come in through us. You're not going to know who they are, because this is, what's the right word? You don't need to know who they are right now. They don't need to know who you are right now. You just need to know that I can get money back, and that possibly that these are the right people to do it. It's going to be your choice on whether or not you want to work with them or not, but they're going to provide you a proposal and tell you that this is what we can do for you, and then it's your choice to determine if you want to move forward with that or not. What's beautiful about this is it costs you nothing. Doesn't cost any money to us. It's our service to you. We want to add value to your business. The only time that it's ever going to cost you money is when you've actually gotten a check back from the government. There's some terms and conditions. We can talk about all that stuff, but let's stay focused on what's important. Putting on your shorts, sticking your hand in, pulling out a $20 bill that you never knew that you had. Guess what you're going to do for yourself today? You're going to treat yourself. You're going to treat your kids. You're going to treat your family. When you get a big tax refund back from your historical taxes, guess what you're going to do with that? You're going to be really happy. You're going to invest in your business. You're going to do something for yourself that you deserve. You're going to do something for your family. You're going to do something that you've probably been holding off on because there's so many demands on your life and your money. Give us a chance to add value. Your success is our passion. Let's make it simple. Thank you.